Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you all my fidgets. So yeah, first I have the poppets, I have a pineapple one, I have whatever this is, it's like some unicorn thing. Yeah, and then I have an infinity, oh wait, I have this, it's a huge poppet game, and I don't know if you know how to play, just roll these bricks, roll these dice, and you pop that many, and then whoever gets to the end first wins. Yeah. Okay, and then I have the infinity cube. And I have the tube, I don't know what it's called. Yeah. So, yeah. Bye guys.